Hi, this is Shahul from Pantech ProLabs. Today we are going to see demo on FPGA implementation of image compression using discrete wavelet transform. In this demo, we are going to implement image compression technique in Spartan 3 FPGA image processing kit. For this purpose, we have Xilinx Platform Studio software. We are going to implement Microblaze softcore processor and C code of image compression technique on it. Let's see the demo. We open discrete wavelet transform project in Xilinx Platform Studio. Now turn on the Spartan 3 FPGA image processing kit and download the project. It's turned on. Now do download bitstream under device configuration. Once the program downloaded, you will see done LED glowing on that FPGA board. You can see that LED is glowing over here. Now we have to launch XMD to download executable linker file. Under debug option it is available. Here we have to open that ELF file location which is located under DWT folder. Open it by typing command cd space DWT, enter. Then we can view the list of files using ls command. We have a executable.file present on this folder. Now do dow space executable.elf, enter. Once we do this, that executable linker file will be downloaded onto our FPGA. Now we have to open a Visual Basic guide to view the output. This is the Visual Basic guide to view that 128 x 128 image output over here, and this image is received through serial port at 9600 baud rate. Now type run to see the output. Type run and enter. Once we do this, you will see that data is receiving serially over Visual Basic guide at 9600 baud rate. When you press display image, it will start displaying that serially received data over here. This is the input image. The image stuck at 50%. What we can do is we have to press soft reset in our FPGA kit and close this VB guide and reopen it and release the push button. Once you do this, the process get restart from the initial state. So we are getting that 128 x 128 image, input image. This is of grayscale. This image was created using MATLAB coding. There we convert this image into 128 x 128 pixel values. We have received the input of 128 x 128 image. Now compression is applied over it. This 128 x 128 image will be converted to 64 x 64 image. using discrete wavelet transform algorithm. When you plus display image, you can see that the size of image gets reduced. This will be like output of low pass, low pass, high pass, low pass, and then high pass. Like that, it will receive that four outputs. Actual output required is low pass, which is located at the top left corner. This is the final output of discrete wavelet transform using Spartan 3 FPGA image processing kit. Thank you.